Hey there, this is Paul and I'm super excited to introduce you to VideoExpressAI, our brand new AI text prompt to video creation technology. Now, this is so mind-blowing that you can create full-fledged, mesmerizing, captivating videos with real humans, with facial expressions, movements, and stuff like that, just like this.
In a world of endless stories, one fragrance captures the essence of elegance, a scent designed for the woman who writes her own destiny. Introducing Vintage Perfumes, the fragrance that celebrates every facet of her strength and femininity. Crafted for the moments that matter, from sunlit mornings to evenings under the stars. Each note a whisper, a memory, a dream caught in the breeze. This is more than a perfume, it's a journey, a declaration of beauty and power that lingers. Embrace your story, embrace Vintage Perfumes. Discover the essence of elegance.
Or what if you wanted to create 3D animated videos with Disney Pixar style animated characters, actually having consistency throughout with subtitles, captions, perfect text-to-speech, which is lifelike, and more. Check this example.
Len the panda was always curious. His forest home was a wonderland of towering bamboo and hidden paths, and he craved nothing more than to explore it all. One day, his curiosity outpaced his caution. Lost, he wandered for days, fear and loneliness nipping at his heels. Len braved the sting of thorny vines and tumbled down slippery slopes, hunger gnawed at his belly as he searched for familiar scents. Nights were terrifying, filled with strange noises and lurking shadows.
Riku, a tiny wolf pup, tumbled into the rushing river, a cry torn from his throat as his family vanished into the woods. Alone, he faced icy waters, gnawing hunger, and the vast unknown. With each sunrise, Riku's howls pierced the wilderness, a beacon of longing. His dream of reunion fueled him, his paws carrying him across endless terrain. Then, one day, across the vast ocean, a familiar scent brought him to a halt. There, on the distant shore, his parents waited. Riku leaped into the waves, his small heart filled with the courage of 1,000 journeys.
You can even create videos that are surreal, like astronauts in space selling supplements, for example, like this one.
Ready to fuel your mission to the stars? Fast Supplements here, bringing the power of the cosmos right to your doorstep. Crafted for astronauts, perfected for you. Our supplements are designed to boost your energy, enhance your focus, and keep you going, no matter where your adventures take you. With cutting-edge science and the purest ingredients, Fast Supplements are your ally in conquering the day, or the galaxy. Whether you're lifting at the gym, coding the next big app, or just chasing after your dreams, we've got your back.
Now let me show you how easy it is to create videos like this with VideoExpress. Okay, you just paste in your prompt. You can even use our prompt extender to create the prompts from scratch. You use the type of image you want. In this case, I put a human, a supermodel woman with bokeh background, which is kind of a blurred background so that it focuses on the subject. It looks like a professional photo shoot. And I'm going to generate the image preview, which is the first frame of the video you want to create. Okay, there you go. I have the woman here. And then now what I can do is I can reuse the same character that you see, that by checking that reuse the same character option. So that what it'll do is it'll reuse the same face of the person throughout the entire video process, and then that way you can create consistent character videos, meaning it looks the same, the color theme looks the same. So now I'm going to put beautiful female model dancing right now, as you can see, and then generate another image frame preview. So it'll generate the first frame within just a few seconds. Literally, it should take 5 to 7 seconds or less. And then after it's done, now you know exactly how the video will look like, how it'll start, right? And then you reuse the same character, and then now you can literally start having her do dancing, yoga, or whatever you want, right? And then the videos will be created as a scene. So like a Hollywood movie, right? Now I heard her yoga. So then each scene will have congruence and they'll all come one after each other in a nice, beautiful Hollywood style fashion, if you will, right? And now in this case, I'm going to do a perfume ad. Let's say I'm holding a vintage perfume in her hands. I just add that in. There we go. So now we've added that in as well, as you can see here. And now you can create a nice, beautiful scene by scene movie, right? We are the only application in the market which can create scenes up to 7 seconds long. There's no other application in the market right now which can create a scene more than 3 seconds long in the market right now. So an AI video for one scene, which is about 3 seconds or 2 seconds, what others do, we can do up to 7 seconds long. The only application in the market, which is ridiculous. If you drag and drop this into the timeline, like you see, it's gonna be beautifully laid out one by one. You can add transitions, text effects, and all that kind of good stuff. But we have a full-fledged timeline editor like what you see right now, and then I could use the elements that you see to the right. For example, I could use by importing text to speech. I could add filters, zoom and pan effects, let's add some text to speech right now. Let me do that. Let's basically choose a voice. For example, for this one right here, I want to use Sarah, which is an emotional voice. I can put excited voice. I can put all kind of cool things. And then I'll just adjust the speech slightly because I want it to be very exciting tone, if you will. And then after that, you just put your script in, and you just copy and paste that script in and just import speech, and it's going to in a few seconds generate the entire text to speech, realistic, lifelike audio, right? The voice look as realistic as possible. And then as you can see here, we can add them into the timeline. Now this timeline widget is revolutionary because you could add background music, you can reduce the volume of the background music a little bit, you could for example add your own logos, you could add watermarks, you could even use the fast cuts effect like what I'm showing you right now, where you can click on that one and select which track you want to add a fast cut animation effect. In this case, track number 2 is where the video is, right, with this girl here, or woman. And then once you select that, automatically between each scene transitions will occur, right? And we're adding more and more of these transitions. These are really powerful for social media platforms, right, to get more traffic, leads, and sales. Now here you go. This is how the video will look like now when you add captions as well. So I'll talk about the captions technology. We have the world's best AI captions technology in the planet, which will actually sync, like what I'm showing you right now. It will sync to the voice. As the voice is spoken, the actual letters and the words are highlighted. And we also have word by word. We have actually ones where you can do sentences. There's different ways to go about it. It's the world's best AI captions technology. So you don't have to use multiple tools to bring it all together, basically. Now, let's talk about another one. Like let's say an astronaut video, the one I showed you earlier. Let's say astronaut gracefully surfing on the waves. You don't have to put any negative prompts or anything. Let's just if you want to extend the prompt, you can extend the prompt like so. You can even delete the negative prompts because our technology is so good that you don't even need to add a prompt, negative prompt, and all that. Just click generate image preview like so. Boom. Now you got a perfect astronaut who's surfing, right? So this is a surreal image, right? And then when you click on create video, it will use this first frame to generate the video. So what we create is the frame first and then the video next, right? And then once, as you can see here, you can do this. And then after you've done that, as you can see here, this is how the video will look like after you put the scenes together. So incredible because it looks so cinematic. It looks like somebody spent weeks to create. You have the character also doing certain actions and stuff. And that way, what's going to happen is once you put it all together, you can even say, for example, use 2D, 3D, and that sort of thing. So for example, if I have 3D, we have subcategories between them, and we're adding more and more based on what you're creating right now and making it better. So you don't even have to do much here. It's 3D Pixar style animated cartoon mouse surfing the winds. That's it. And there we go. We have the cartoon mouse created. And then you just click on the generate video here, and it's going to create a beautiful scene like this, right? And then, of course, we have other technologies where you can now increase the length of the video scene that is being created. Now, you can create videos however long you want. You can create a 2-minute video, 3-minute video, 5-minute video, that sort of thing. And you can do object removal, you can add objects and some cool things like that using our video Inpainting technology, video object removal technology, and of course our really, really cool motion brush technologies as well. You can add text effects like what I'm showing you right now. And of course, you could layer it with watermarks and also fade in, fade out audios, titles. You can do zoom and pan effects. You can resize the video to vertical video from landscape for most mobile phones. We also have a public gallery where you can see what other creations other users are using, and then you can replicate that and basically learn from the process and do a really good job of trying to get the same lighting, ambient, stylistic elements of it. So let's say you want it in a 3D style, 2D anime style. You want to do it, let's say, for example, in a surrealistic cyberpunk or neon style, or you want to use it realistic. Let's say you want to do it for an e-commerce site. You can do it for whatever you want to use it for. That's the beauty of our AI video. It's not stock footage. It's nothing to do with what you've seen in the past. It actually generates the videos using AI, and it could be, let's say, a teddy bear swimming, let's say in Mars. You can do all this stuff which is impossible with stock video, right? And this is the future, and that you get your hands on right now. We even have a face swap feature where, for example, you're using consistent character, you're creating your scenes, you can put your face. Like here in this case, I put my own photo in there and a face swap it and became part of the video. So the video frames will have me now instead of some other generic model as well. You can do that for your clients' projects, you can do it on your own. And the beauty here is that it works perfectly well because of the fact that I can add things here. Holding a shampoo bottle. Let's say you want me to hold a shampoo bottle right now, and then I can create that first frame preview one more time. Once I'm doing that, reuse that same character, have that face swap on. So now basically I could be there when I click on that generate image preview. I can basically now be in that particular frame, and then obviously in that video as well that's generated. So everything I just showed you, yes, you can actually create yourself, put yourself into the videos that you create with AI. Isn't that extraordinary? And here's the best part. You see that little option that you see there? Yeah, there you go. My photo is not that perfect. Actually, if I put my LinkedIn photo or something, it would be even better, but still pretty solid, right? And now if you go in there, so where it says video has forward facing person, so in where you have face swap and your person is watching straight up like what I'm doing right now with you, then you can add that option called video has forward facing person. What this will do is it will remove any blemishes, any slight pixelation or quality loss that can occur, because the real human face, a lot of frames are being taken, a lot of resources are being consumed, and we want to make sure it's perfect, right? The teeth, the nose, the eyes, and all that. So you click that little checkbox which says video is forward facing person, and boom, you will get a perfect output when your video is created. Pretty cool, right? Now check this out. That's just the start. You can convert a video into a vertical video like what you see here right now. You can also do some other cool things where, for instance, we have the media library where you can upload your own voiceovers, not just text to speech. Let's say you can upload your own background music scores. You can upload even your own images that you got from other applications of ours like Artistly and some of the other applications out there. You can go to import media, and then you can even do your screen recording, voice recording, and webcam as well if you want to add, like what I'm doing right now. And then also what you could do is you go to media library, and you can also, for instance, upload any other videos you want to add to a timeline. You could do that as well. And of course, you can even use the AI videos, and you can do image to video here so that you can upload your images with Artistly and some other text to image generator applications. Just make sure that the images are landscape, so that comes out great. We also have video Inpainting and image Inpainting. So image frame can be converted into a video where you can change elements, like you want to change the sun, the stars, whatever. And you also have the special effects filter where you can add in rainfall, snow, and things like that as well. We have extensive tutorials on every one of these things, so just extraordinary. The point though is that once the video is created, you have all these things working in line to assist you to go every step of the way. We have undo, redo buttons, everything figured out already. It's all ready to go, ready to rock, ready to rumble right out of the gate. You got filters like what you see here. We have automated caption, which I'll get to in just a bit. But the idea here is that you have everything in one place, including text animations, watermarking, and other cool things like outros, intros, and other cool things like what you see here. Now, what makes this extraordinarily powerful is the flexibility and the ability for you to actually create full-length, full-fledged videos. You want to create a video 2 minutes long, 3 minutes long, 4 minutes long, 5 minutes long, or just a shorts, right? A vertical shorts with captions and subtitles and all that kind of stuff. Then all you got to do is just click on the automated captions option, and you're good to go. So really, it's the most robust application, the most flexible application, and the most easiest to use application as well in the planet to get you to use AI to create video. Now, as you know, we've been the pioneers of actually text to AI spokesperson videos, right? And that's the #1 platform in the planet. We've been the pioneers of text to image generation, and now we will be the pioneers of text prompt to video creation. And this is only 10% as good as where I want it to be. As technology improves, you'll be getting version 2.0 for free, version 3.0 free, whatever, just without one-time payment that you can put in to get lifetime access to this great technology. And you'll be in the forefront of technology, because this is the future, right? We're basically replacing all the stock footage and all that kind of other stuff with more flexible ability to really do cool things like this astronaut one, for example, right? Just incredible what you can achieve with it right out of the gate, right? So as you can imagine, right? So check this out. You can do this stuff with just a few clicks. Would you believe that? Like with stock footage and anything, you couldn't even do stuff like this before in the past, right? This is what makes it powerful. You can create surreal videos, 3D, animated, 2D, all kinds of good stuff, right? Now, the beauty is for all this, you also have to add captions. We have a full-fledged AI caption generator, including ability to add basically countdown timers, progress bars, and all this stuff for your videos. And that we're including that as a bonus if you get in today. And that allows you to basically import even not just videos from VideoExpress, but also other videos as well in there. So I'll talk about the bonuses as well that I have for you if you get in today, because we're running a very, very limited time special deal for founders like yourself to early bird users, where you'll get all the updates for free. You're not gonna have to pay any upsells, any add-ons, anything extra. Everything will be included in one place. You get it, you're gonna get basically instant access to it. And also, if you go to this link right now that I have for you right now, if you go to this link right now, which is VideoExpress.ai/go, or click on a link or something like that you'll see right below, you will basically be able to get access to VideoExpress for a low one-time payment of just $179. No upsells, no downsells, no add-ons, everything all inclusive, right? Any updates we make will be free for you. And also for a limited time, you can also test drive it for 7 full days. So you get a 7-day free trial to test drive it, and thereafter there's 2 payments of $97 each for a total of $194. After that, you'll never be billed again, and it's all inclusive thereafter. It's slightly more expensive, about $15, but that's a good way for you to test drive. You can cancel it anytime, and also you get a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee as well, so that for any reason, no reason at all, you decide to leave, hey, no hard feelings. It's on me, it's on us, right? Try it out for yourself, and the improvements we're making, the additions we're making, the features we're adding in, the extensive roadmap that we have already mapped out, it's gonna just be the best AI prompt to video maker application in the world. Okay, some exciting things are coming up that I'm not even going to mention right now because we're still doing some research in there. So definitely go in, check it out. You'll be blown away by what you see, because this is the future, as you can imagine. Now, right below, if you get in right now as well, whether you get the free trial 7-day option or the $179 option, you're gonna get some bonuses. So with the $179 option, by the way, you're gonna have the ability to use PayPal credit option. So this is where if you're in the United States, US, or the UK. In the United States, it's 6 full months, no payments, no interest if you use checkout and use PayPal. You'll see an option where it's going to say pay with your PayPal balance, pay with your credit card or debit card, or use PayPal credit option if you're in the United States or United Kingdom. And if you're in the United Kingdom, it's 3 months, no payments, no interest. In the US, it's about 6 months, no payments, no interest. So definitely check it out. The minimum order value has to be more than $100, so it works for that $179, not for the free trial. But definitely that's available for you. We have other payment options as well available. Now, there's some other bonuses as well available. So the first bonus, you're going to be getting access to our full-fledged with Subtitle app application, which is a captions technology. We wanted to make it not just integrated into the VideoExpress application, but also be able to add captions, subtitles, and animated elements and stuff for any video that you upload, including video resizing and all that kind of good stuff. Let me show you how this looks like, because you're going to get full unlimited access to this one. No upsells, no add-ons. It's basically 2 for the price of 1 you're getting, because captions and subtitles are so critical for your videos now, especially with how everything is moving into mobile and all that kind of stuff, where people are on the train or on the bus or they're traveling. They want to see videos on the go. They want captions, right? So this will allow you to do that. We have a full-fledged AI tool that will allow you to do that. Let me show you. So this is how the app looks like. You just go in and you select and upload a media file. This could be even videos that you create with VideoExpress. With VideoExpress, we have a direct integration. So where basically the videos you create, right, the full-fledged videos that you create with VideoExpress, because you're going to be getting both of them as part of one, they're going to match the media gallery. So that means when you create a video in VideoExpress, they'll also appear automatically in with subtitle. You don't have to manually download and upload here, okay? But we have also given you the ability to upload files from your own computer and add subtitles to them and captions. So there you go. You see this right here. We have this video without captions right now, as you can see, of this beautiful perfume ad, let's say. Now, what you have to do, just go to next, and then you decide what audio you want. Let's say, for example, do you want the original audio to be in English and the actual captions and subtitles to be in Spanish, for example? You could do that. Or do you want the original audio, which was Spanish, to also have English subtitles? You can do that too here by checking. There's also 2 voices mode, where if you have 2 people talking, voice 1, voice 2, we can do that as well. It's kind of complex, but we have thought through all this stuff. Okay, then go next. Here's where the resizing comes. See, so you can resize a video from landscape to portrait video. You can even do 1 by 1, which is the Instagram square videos, right? timeline videos, and different resizing as well. In one click you can do that. And then you go next here, and then you can just add the subtitles, where you see this right here. You can do subtitles word by word, where each word keeps coming one after the other. You can do animated, standard, like let's say for example, and any changes I make will be active. So right now I have center position and center align, right? So if I want it to be bottom, there you go, went to the bottom. It's just that easy. You can change the color tones, everything, right? And then click next. And here we have an inline video editor, where what you could do is, like, you could add things like progress bar. So let's say if I go in and I want to create a progress bar, click on it. I want it to be in the top, let's say, right? And you select what type of progress do you want. So let's say, for example, you want an airplane, a pickup truck, or whatever. All right, let's say pickup truck for the fun of it, select. And there we go. So this is a progress bar that's gonna happen just on the top of the video. You can do the same with countdown timers. You can even add, let's say for example, a countdown timer. You see this option right here, and then click on countdown, boom. This is all there to get more people to pay attention to video, complete your video and stuff like that, right? So you have that option too. Now, when you just go out of the inline video editor, boom, it just adds that countdown, as you can see here, the option right here, as you can see, and you can make changes and stuff like that. You have the progress bar on the top. You want it in the bottom now, again, same thing. Go to the progress bar here again, just select it to be in the bottom, boom, it's in the bottom now. Awesome, right? So there we go. And then we can do here, and the progress bar will show up. And then you can do that too. Up to you. You have flexibility to play around with it however you want to do it. Now let's say because the progress bar is in the bottom, I want to change back the subs to be in the center. There we go. We do that right now. So then it'll look beautiful. You have a progress bar in the bottom, and then the subs here, captions here. You click next. You can add background music if you want to. And then here is where you can click on the edit transcription. And then here you can edit it based upon on a second to second basis, because although our transcription and the captions are perfect 99% of the time, 1% of the time maybe you want to change a few things where it's not syncing as perfectly as you wanted it to, because the animation is too fast or whatever. You can move things around based on these milliseconds and to the second, so that it'll be perfect sync right here. So good, right? And this alone is very, very expensive of a feature for us to add, but we wanted to give you as much value as possible, right? So this is the bonus. So it's a full-fledged application, and it actually is usable. It's not some 100 different bonuses, but they're of no use to you, right? And the other bonus is the ability to increase the video scene length to up to 7 seconds. I just want to be clear, you can create videos up to 5 minutes long, for example, if you want to. The idea here is that when you give a prompt, one scene, right, is about 3 seconds long right now, not just with us, but other applications out there which do AI video right now, about 3 seconds or so. You can double that and do up to 7 seconds. Right now in the market, there's no application that is available which can do this. We are the only ones. It's revolutionary, actually, if you think about it. So what that happens is, like, you have a scene that could be up to 7 seconds long, and then you can put them together and create a very long length video if you want to as well, and they'll be perfectly transitioned. This is a special bonus because it takes us 3 times the amount of server resources to do that, and these AI servers are really expensive from NVIDIA. So right now we're spending more than $50,000 a month just on these AI servers, which is ridiculous if you think about it. But that's the infrastructure you need to build technologies like this, you know. So this is another bonus you're going to get access to, so that you can create videos that are really, really long in length. And on top of that, if that wasn't enough as well, you also have the voice to video feature, where you're going to have the ability to basically command through voice what type of video to create, basically the image frame and then the video as well. So basically you can then do it on the go if you want videos, right? We recommend to still use your laptop and stuff, but the idea is it speeds up the workflow. But this bonus will also be in your account in the next day or a couple of days or so, depending on when you're watching this. The main idea here, okay, is that you want to make sure, okay, it's very important, you want to make sure that you use the application first to generate videos with just simple text prompts, and then voice will make it even more easier because you know how to use it, right? And then the most important bonus easily is the interactive create with you live training workshops, where I'm going to work alongside you and live, and I'm going to take your feedbacks, feature suggestions and stuff like that, and keep adding elements in. I'll give you an example how this works, okay? So recently, one of our users on a training event just said, look, I want better quality voices that will be in there. So we just added just a couple of days ago this really awesome voice. If you go into import media right now in the application, click on text to speech, and then here, if you go in there, we've added some new voices, like let's say, for example, Zeta here, right? These are really, really high quality voices. Okay, they sound human-like, and like this one is Zeta. We have added some other ones as well. So these are getting added in, and that way you'll get a perfect output every single time, and they look human-like. Okay, and this was a feedback that came in. I saw that in the live stream. I collaboratively worked with our users, and then I got that added in a couple of days. That's the beauty of having things move quickly and help you having a piece in the development process, right? So that way you have something quickly done, and then you can use these voices right out of the gate. Gives you a competitive advantage as well. Now the other thing as well with this interactive creative, working with you training, is that you can now hop on, give your feature suggestions. You want some questions answered, I'll go in the application and show you exactly how to do it. And more importantly, if we don't have that feature already, I'll put it in the priority list, and then that will be the #1 feature that will get added as soon as possible if you don't already have it, the best settings and stuff like that. And this is along the lines of our successful prompts and projects. This will be where all the best projects that users are creating, we are creating, and all that kind of stuff, will show you exactly how to replicate it, exactly how to use those projects, and more importantly, we'll show you exactly how you can utilize these projects so that you can quickly create videos as soon as possible. Because right now in the application, if you go in here, you can open projects right now like this, which was already created. Just click on it and open it up right now like so, and it'll open up any project that you have. You can create a new project, you can save a project as and create another variation of it. You made some small changes, you can do all that, right? So you're going to be seeing these successful projects as well that you can replicate right out of the gate. These are all very critical bonuses. Some of the stuff that we have coming in for the next 2 years, I've already mapped out all the features that I want in this. It's only going to get better and better. It's going to be 10 times better than it is today, for sure, over the next coming months and year or so. You're going to get all those updates for free as a founding member. No need to buy extra for version 2.0. No maintenance packages to get new updates. None of that mumbo jumbo stuff. Our goal here is to recoup our development costs and also our costs for the AI servers and stuff like that. And we're literally selling it at cost to you because of the fact that we spent so much money on developing it for the last year, and you get to be in basically the early stages of something revolutionary here. Okay, and as I mentioned before, this is the future, right? AI will help you create videos and simplify the process, and you want to jump in on this now while it's taking off, then you will actually have a piece in the future too, right, of where things are headed. So here's how you order. So you go to VideoExpress.ai/go, or the button, whatever you go, you click on the instant access button. You're going to get 2 choices, the split pay option or the full pay option. Full pay option is going to be $15 discount. It's a $179 one-time payment for lifetime access. Or you can use the 7-day free trial for the split pay option as well. So if you click on that right now, as you can see here, you're going to go to the checkout page. We have different payment options here: PayPal, credit card, crypto, Google Pay, and also Apple Pay we accept. Now if you scroll down here real quick, as you can see here, you're going to be billed nothing today, just $0 right now. And you can change your currencies here as you desire. Let's say whatever currency you desire to do. Let's say, for example, right? And then it's $0 here, as you can see here, for 7 days. You can cancel it anytime. Hey, no worries, no hard feelings. Use it up. Every video you create costs money. Every video you caption or create subtitles costs us money, but no hard feelings there. We want to give it to you right now at this really test drive option to see for yourself if it's worth it. Now, I just want to mention something here real quick, okay? There's no other application when it comes to the features that we have right now. We have video object removal, we have Inpainting, motion brush, we have the ability to merge all your videos together, create really awesome videos. We have text to speech, which is lifelike. We have the ability for you to record your screen, add other videos in, other images in, and all this other good stuff, right? The only other application which would even come close to this kind of technology, I wouldn't even call it the same, but even comes close to this, is this application called Runway ML. And if you go into Runway ML's website here and they go to their pricing, right? This is right now they can generate the same stuff in terms of the 2 or 3 seconds that I told you and stuff like that. And right now, if you see their website, this is the only competition, and these people have raised hundreds of millions of dollars, right, in venture capital. And I'm actually putting my own money on the line here. So this is the corporations we're competing with, and that's why we need your help in making it as great as possible, right? And so if you see the pricing of this one, it's $35 a month to start off with. Right here, as you can see, it says 2,250 credits per month, and that's right. Say Gen 2 is where their AI prompt to video technology is. It says 450 seconds per month is allowed. Okay, so now let's just do that math right here. So it's about 450 seconds, right? So 450 seconds divided by 60 seconds per minute equals $7.50 per let's say for example per month, right? 7.5 minutes that you can generate a video. So 35 divided by 7.5 is $4.60 per minute of AI prompt to video that you can generate with this. That's how expensive this technology. I can't blame them because the servers are so expensive for this stuff. I know it because I'm dealing with it, right? Now, as you can see, they also have a $95 per month plan, and the that one, it says unlimited, but you'll see this right here. It's basically saying relaxed rate. Okay, what that means is your video could take, let's say, for example, an hour to create, 2 hours, 5 hours, depending on usage, right? How many people are there? With us, you can generate your AI clips and your AI scenes in literally 40 seconds to maybe 65 seconds. Your image preview in 5 seconds, right? That's speed. And that's something nobody else offers for any price right now. That's what makes this so powerful, right? We've done the very best we could. This is an awesome application. It'll become our flagship application. You saw already with HumanPal, it's version 3.0. Everybody got all the other versions for free. It's a flagship AI spokesperson app. You saw with Artistly, it's version 2.0. We gave it for free. In about 45 days or so, it's version 3.0 of Artistly will come, which will make it the best. Yes, the very best text-to-image application, even better than Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and all the other ones out there. And it's going to be on par, or if not even better than those as well. And those folks who got in as a founding special for Artistly and HumanPal got all those updates for free. Never asked them a single penny, right? Same thing will be for this one. When we release version 2.0, 3.0, it's only going to get better when technology improves, right? When you can create even better quality videos and stuff like that, and higher length, bigger length videos, or whatever you want to do. All the stuff will be for free for you when you get in today. Other people, what we will do is the with Subtitle application will not be included, first of all. Secondly, for other people, you'll have to pay extra for that because it's a full-fledged application, right? It creates captions and stuff. For other people, right, we're not gonna give access to, for example, the 7-second video generation, right? It's impossible, right? Because that's 3 times the usage of normal everyday applications right now. You saw, right? People are charging $3, $4 per video for this stuff, and they don't even generate that high length of video scene, right? We can generate that. Nobody else can do that. Tomorrow, if it becomes 15 seconds, 30 seconds and stuff, you'll get that for free as well. As technology improves, we will be in the forefront of it, right? So go there right now and get it. We're going to be 100% completely removing the 7-day free trial at any moment without notice. You'll see it. It'll be removed forever. And we're going to be increasing the price of this as well, where either we increase the price or we're going to remove the with Subtitle application and it becomes another add-on where it's going to probably become more than $250 or more even thereafter, once that is becoming its own add-on beyond that, right? It gets removed from this really cool package that you get. Again, no upsells, no downsells, nothing to worry about. And the other thing we are doing here, which is only for the founding members, is that we only have abuse limits but no other real limits in place. The abuse limits are only there to ensure that 99.99% of the people who create videos, we don't charge you credits or anything extra. It's somebody who is like using bots or sharing their content, like some 100 people, and then creating 1,000 videos or something per day. Those are the ones we're kind of blocking. So other than that, you can create as many videos as you wish, okay? And we'll be tweaking that as we go along throughout the period of the next few weeks and months, so that the goal will be you create as many videos as you desire, as long as you're using it for your business and growing. And that's what we've done with our other applications as well. And that's what we plan to do with this as well, which nobody will do for any price for you, by the way. As you can imagine, right? It costs us insane amount of money to be able to do this right now, $50,000 a month just for these AI servers, and it'll only keep increasing, right? As the technology keeps improving. So there you go to the link right now and get it. And you will be kicking yourself when you miss out on this, simply because, as I said, it's the greatest value you're getting. You're not being charged credits, monthly fees and all that, and you're getting in the founding and the foundation level of something extraordinary, a flagship project, really, if you think about it, of the next generation, next wave of AI, right? And we're actually drinking our own Kool-Aid major of the time. A lot of the people know this, right? I've been talking about video before it was cool. Like we talked about AI video creation maybe 10 years ago before it was cool, right? Talked about AI chatbots before ChatGPT came and everybody jumped on it, right? So if you want to be in the forefront of it, this is your last chance to get it. VideoExpress.ai/go. Go in. I look forward to seeing you inside. Looking forward to getting to know you in our training webinars and help you take your business to the next level with this awesome AI Video Express technology.